Hi everyone, this is Pallvi back with Babbar and Associates. Happy Friday. I hope you all had a great week and are looking forward to a fun and safe weekend ahead. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of an emotional topic, divorces. We had a lot of divorce cases in 2019 and I felt like there were some common themes where people didn't think about things or didn't know things before they came in to speak with me, and I felt like it would be a good topic to discuss today. The first thing to remember is divorces are always emotional roller coasters. You're going to be up, you're going to be down, you're going to be upset, you're going to be happy, you're going to be angry, you're going to be relieved. You're going to go through all of those emotions at all the same times. So the number one thing to do is stay calm. Try your best to remain calm and stay reasonable. Keep in mind that you had a life with this person, and now that you're separating, you have to separate your lives. It's a process. It's not going to be done ever in one day or in an hour. The other thing that kind of goes hand in hand with that is don't expect to win your divorce case. There's no such thing. A divorce case is meant to be settled between the parties to find the best possible outcome for everyone involved. And there's this common thread of people saying, oh, I lost because I didn't get as much money, or he won because he got the house. That's not how it works. You know, at the end of the day, you guys have decided you don't want to be together anymore, so you're both winning by separating your lives, and you're both losing because you've lost that relationship that you had. There's no such thing as a winner or a loser. The other thing to remember is you are divorcing your spouse. Your children are not going through the divorce process with you. That person will always be a parent to your children. And it's the most important thing to remember is that you had children with this person. You believe that they would make a good parent most times. And so now just because you're deciding that they're no longer a good husband doesn't mean they automatically become a horrible father or mother. So always give them the benefit of the doubt, and remember that it's not your children going through the divorce, it's you. Another important thing that we saw in this office is don't believe everything people say. People will make up things, talk about their divorce cases, talk about a friend of a friend who heard that this person got $1 million as a divorce settlement. It's not true. And I've proved them wrong several times. And I always tell people, your case is unique. Your marriage was unique. Your children are unique. Your divorce is going to be unique. Your settlement's going to be unique. You need to just keep it to yourself. And don't discuss the details, especially once the divorce case has been started, because you never really know who's on your side and who's not. One of the other things that I always tell my clients is consider alternatives to court. Mediation is the best way to go in a divorce case, because a judge is not going to take the time to hear your emotions or the way you felt when he came home late one night or she went out on vacation with her friends. A judge doesn't care. They don't have the time to sit there and listen to these things. The person who does is a mediator, and the mediator can help you guys discuss the issues and kind of come out of it still kind of friends rather than in an adversarial role. The other thing to remember in any type of legal case that you're going to get involved in is always be honest with your attorney. If you don't tell me what's going on or what happened or what you did, even if you might be wrong or you think you might be wrong, I cannot support you. I cannot protect you. If you're honest with your attorney can tell you the best way out or tell you the best way to deal with things. One thing I always tell people as well is make copies of important documents. You have to understand you guys had one home, one household, one life, and now you're going to separate into two households, possibly, or two lives. Your important documents, meaning your social security card, your children's birth certificates, your children's social security cards, anything that they have, make copies. Take for yourself, give to your spouse. And make a list, write down the things that are important to you, the things that you cannot live without. If you have your grandmother's table in your dining room and you want that, make a list before you go visit a divorce attorney so that they know when they talk to your spouse, hey, by the way, the dining table, we really want that. What can we do? The other thing I'll say is be reasonable. You married this person at some point you had a relationship with them. No matter what has gone down or how bad things have gotten, they were an important part of your life, and they will always be an important part of your life. Try to leave this relationship as amiable as possible. It's the number one important thing. I tell all my clients who walk into this door. So those were my pointers on to think when you're thinking about a divorce. Obviously, if you have any questions, give us a call. Our phone number is 516-228-0111, and we're always here to help. Have a great weekend.